What's going on, Excel fanatics? Welcome to part 3 of Beyond Pie Charts, or something like that. So let's keep going. Let's keep this rolling. So last time we finished off on making a donut chart. So at the very end I showed you how to do it, but we'll just follow the tutorial. Practice making a donut chart. Click inside the data below, and then on the Insert tab, click the Pie button. Alright, so selecting this data, going up to Insert. Then we're going to Pie, but instead of just clicking Pie, there's a drop down. I don't know if those are the exact instructions, but there's a little drop down there. So let's just pick Donut. Save ourselves some time. We moved it over. Did I miss it? Yeah, just hit Donut. Move the chart down so that everything could read. Then click any arc. All right, and choose Format Data Series. Is it just one, or do all of them? Okay, so, and then hit data, Format Data Series. For donut hole size, type in 50. 50%. Okay, yeah, I guess it was that would have applied to all of them. Now right click any arc and choose Add Data Labels. Ta-da. And then, like in the last video I was pointing out, you can drag these values out, and you notice how there's a nice little line that helps you point. Personally, I think that looks a lot neater. You can even do a mix and match. They don't all have to do it. But I just think that looks very neat. I don't know if they covered this in the tutorial, but just so you guys know. We made the total circle below. Oh, wait, no, I skipped a step, sorry. So then right-click the arc, Format Data Labels, select the category name for checkbox. Yeah, that's what it was. Labels. What was it? It was category name. Okay, got it. And then for the separator, which is down here, choose new line. So that's just a formatting thing. We made the total circle below. Now do something for you. Now something for you to do. Right click and choose bring to front. Oh yeah, so that's like a picture thing. And then put that inside the donut. Oh, right in the middle. Oh, that's clever. Look at that. Sometimes pie charts can have problems. Here are just a few examples, and the next few sheets will explain these problems and how to solve them. So this is like kind of a 3D version here. We're just taking a look. This, yeah, that's overly much. Yeah, okay. First problem to be aware of. 3D pie charts can distort slices, making the front slice look larger than they really are. In general, we don't recommend using 3D pie charts. Yeah, I would say that in most cases too, not even just because it's the tutorial, but pretty much just that's exactly it. It's just too flashy. The whole point of the chart is just to, tell a quick story and efficiently. And if something like this is going to end up being misleading, it's probably best not to even bother with it, no matter how cool you think it looks. So in this example here, without any numbers indicating this, even though this may look bigger, Joy is actually leading over Ivy here. Too many slices is a common problem with pie charts. If you're ever in this situation, consider changing to another chart like a column chart. Yes, right. I agree. This is right, because this is hard to read, and this is definitely easier to look at. And just as a reminder, well, maybe they'll do it here. Practice changing from a, yeah, that's it. Okay, sorry, I was going to just show you how to change, and here it is. Click the border of the chart below to select it. Then on the Chart Design tab at the top of the window, click Change Chart Type. I've done this a bunch of times with you guys. I think you guys already know it, but just following it. And then it's probably going to the column. Yeah, just like what you guys saw. So right click on the vertical axis on the left and then click delete. Oh yeah, I see what you're saying. So I just hit the delete key just because you're only dealing with one data set and it's already here for you, so you don't need it. It just looks messy and too cluttered if you have too much going on, so that was just a way to clean it up. Do the same for the horizontal. Oh, yeah, so down here too, right? I can delete those as well because the name and the amounts are on top of each of these bars. All right, I'm out of time already, so I guess I'm doing another part for this. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.